Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with juice. First, select a high-quality fruit juice like orange or berry. Next, you'll need to sweeten it to balance the tartness and improve the final texture. Make sure to chill this mixture thoroughly before it goes into your ice cream maker. Finally, churn it until it reaches a firm, yet scoopable consistency. This simple process ensures a delicious, refreshing treat. Achieving the right sweetness is key for great sorbet. A good starting point is a ratio of 1 part sugar to 4 parts juice, but always adjust based on your juice's natural sweetness. Using a simple syrup, made by dissolving sugar in a small amount of water, helps the sugar incorporate smoothly. Always taste your mixture before chilling to ensure it's perfectly balanced. Proper chilling is crucial for a smooth sorbet. Make sure your sorbet base chills in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Also, ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is completely frozen solid. Churn the mixture for about 15 to 25 minutes or until it reaches a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. This creates tiny ice crystals for a creamy texture. Once churned, transfer your delicious sorbet to an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours to allow it to firm up properly. When you're ready to serve, let it sit out for a few minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Garnish with some fresh fruit or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing sorbet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.